In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Finance alerts. Now, to do this, we're not going to be using Google Finance itself, and that's because you can't actually do it in here. There's no way to add alerts. However, you can do this inside Google Alerts, okay? So you can just go to google.com/alerts, and you can just create an alert about over here, and you can type in whatever you want. So that's the topic you want to track. For example, Apple stock price like this. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to type it in, and then here it's going to give me those basically alerts, so I can go ahead and click on show options, and here I can select how often I want these. For example, let's say at most once a day. Then here we have the sources. We could do automatic, or you could just switch to blogs, news, web, whatever. I'm just going to leave it as news and web right now, and we're also going to do finance over here like that, okay? And it's going to basically give you an alert preview down here. We're going to leave it like this. Then you have language. I'm going to keep English. Region is going to be, I'm actually going to put it as United States right now. So it's down here somewhere. United States should be close. Let me actually find it. United States or whatever. It's better not going to. There we go. It's up top. I can click on United States, and then here it says how many. You could go ahead only the best or all. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then you can basically select where you want it delivered. I want to of course deliver it to my email, and now you can click on create alert, and there we go. That specific alert has been created. So that's the closest you can get to creating Google Finance alerts. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.